So my 300 amp hour Dumfume, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Dumfume battery came. So let me open it up. Box opening. Looks like inside. The 300 amp hour LiFePo4 battery. It looks pretty bold. Yeah. Oh, it has everything. There it is. That is good. So I'm going to install this, connect it to the AC and see what happens. All right, it's 104 degrees and it's about 4:12 p.m. I just hooked up my LiFePo4 300 amp hour battery. And we have the unit running. I'm going to put it on turbo mode. The battery is fresh out the box. I didn't charge it. I'm assuming it came charged. If it doesn't have enough voltage, I'm assuming it will not go into turbo. It should knock it in 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. And let's check the temperature. It's dropped to 93 degrees, and also the humidity dropped. The temperature outside is 82 degrees. I'm going to let it run for another 10 minutes. Let's see where we're at. So it's now been 20 minutes. The temperature dropped from 100 and, what was it, 102 to 90. Humidity dropped to 24. And the temperature coming out, if I point it at the right spot, it's 40 degrees. Oh, I got 39 there just now. Seems to be working pretty good. I can't wait to test it out driving. But I need to get a charger for my battery. So that's going to be my next step. The charger and the solar panel. Okay, it's now 4:42 and the temperature's dropped 88 degrees. The humidity is at 24. I think it was 26. It's pretty comfortable in here. Let's see what the voltage is on the battery. Overall, seems to be working pretty good. I'm gonna take it for a drive next, but I do need to get the right charger for my LiFePo4 battery. Here's the condensation dripping out of the through vent on the side, running into my gutter on the Vanagon. Here's the condensation from the AC. So I'm going to do another video. I'm trying to decide which pop-top struts to go with, either the Go Westy or the Van Cafe struts, because this top is quite heavy now, as a few of you commented. Yeah, comment below if you guys have experience with them and know which one you think is better. Also, I'm going to be installing a charge controller, trying to decide on one. I'm leaning towards Renogy 30 amp. If anyone has any comments on that also, please comment below.